Today we have the 2019 Mercedes-Benz Vito. This vehicle has done just under 50,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 9 seats in total, all of which are full cloth. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and hands-free calling. On our screen we can access our radio, media, navigation, smartphone integration, and our settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a rear parking camera. And just below our screen we have our AC.